Let me show you a delicious, refreshing salad recipe. Let's go. I can survive on salads. They're my favorite, absolute favorite thing to have. I make sure to disinfect all my vegetables and fruits in vinegar water or baking soda water. So while the vegetables and strawberries are soaking in the vinegar water, I'm cutting fruits like grapefruit and adding them on top of the strawberries, lemon, clementines, and pineapple. I'm slicing the pineapple with a special tool, and actually it saves time, but it's not this easy because it requires strong muscles. And I peel the carrots with an actual peeler that you would use for like potatoes. So kale, lettuce, pineapples, carrots, you can peel them with a peeler if you don't have a shredder and you don't want to shred them. And I even cut lemons, strawberries, mangoes, grapefruit, and I top them with some seeds and dried cranberries. You can use also fresh cranberries. And that is it. This is the salad. I hope you enjoy it. Bon appetit, my loves.